Korea Creek MX 125X, 2 teeth smaller rear sprocket. Let's see how it goes. Hey, what's up guys? Rather here with an iron. We are here at Korea today. It was a nice fly. This is the step down that is on the top of the wet track. So let's see some guys roll it, some guys fly down it like this guy. That was nice. So I'm here today on a 125X as I said, and I have 48 teeth rear wheel that I want to test. We went 2 teeth down on the rear sprocket. So we're gonna take it for a few laps here. It's super busy today and it's also beat up, so track is pretty beat up. There are a few places I decided to roll, not clearing everything today.
The stock gearing on this 125X is 1350, which is really good gearing for off-road riding, and this is an off-road bike, so it's meant to be on the trails more than on the track. And having that 50, it was a little bit, I would say, too powerful, especially with this keen carburetor and stick. The bottom was really good, but the gears were super short. That's why I decided to try and drop 2 teeth on the rear to get a little bit longer gears and to kind of be able to stay on the pipe for a little bit longer. So just listen to this bike. We're gonna go for a couple laps and then we're gonna switch back to a 50, to the video with a 50 rear sprocket, and then you can hear and you can see the difference. I think it's very clear that with 50 teeth rear sprocket, the gears are short and you can just get on the pipe like immediately. It has really good bottom, so you can definitely feel, and I believe you can hear the difference even in the way the engine is running. It's a little more free revving and just hits that power band right away.
Yes, maybe a little less snappy since we changed the sprocket, but then your over rev is a little longer, and I can keep that gear on the pipe a little bit longer. It's not so violent as before. You know, second gear, sometimes when it pulls the power band, it would just run to the end of the gear very quickly, and I kind of didn't like that. So this is a little more to my liking. Not sure how I would like this on the trails, where there you want to have really nice bottom. It still has decent bottom, so maybe next video we can take it like this to the trails. I think it will still be kind of okay, probably not amazing. Now you guys, if you ride this 125X and you are mostly on the track, you might want to try that out. Consider getting a little bit smaller sprocket in the rear, so your gears are a little bit longer, your overall top speed is a little bit higher, and I think it makes sense, especially with the stick and new carburetor. It pulls really nice from the bottom, so I want to have that 125 feel where I really have to push myself to stay on a pipe most of the time to have that meat of the power. So definitely going a little bit smaller on the rear sprocket pushes me to do that. Alright my friends, well I think that's about it for today. Just a real quick feedback about changing two teeth in the rear of this 125X. Let me know below in the comments what you think, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.